Table Mountain National Park falls within the Cape Floristic region, one of the many biomes in South Africa. It is an incredibly special place with unique flora. There are many pathways to use inside of the park that show you all of the vistas that we have available in Table Mountain. Please stick to all of these pathways for your own safety. Please remember that Table Mountain National Park is a protected area. Take only photographs, leave only footprints, do not remove anything including chipping of rocks. It is an incredibly special place with unique flora. Please do not pick the flowers. It is prohibited in terms of legislation as well as the protection of the biodiversity of the park. While you're here in Table Mountain National Park, you'll notice a few cute creatures walking around. Please do not feed these animals. They are wild and belong in the national park. Please don't litter in the national park. Make use of all the bins available in the area. Cape Town is a water-stressed area. Please make use of water responsibly. Use water sparingly when you need to. Smoking is only permitted in designated areas. Please do not discard of cigarette butts into the veld. Make use of the receptacles responsibly. Table Mountain National Park prohibits the use of drones inside of the protected area. If you do not have permission to use drones, you may not use drones. While hiking in Table Mountain National Park, stick to the designated pathways for your own safety and take plenty of water with you.